Okay, we're seeing how full self-drive is going to navigate this construction zone, which isn't on normal roads down here in Seattle. And so far, it's doing really well. It's strange because before the last update, it would show every single cone on the computer, on the dash screen, but it's no longer doing it. I wonder if it's because there's so many, but it's driving us right down the temporary lane pretty well. I'm impressed. Keeping us off the gravel over there and keeping us between the cones. See how it negotiates this stop sign coming up. Taken quite a bit of time to get used to the full self-drive, but I do like it quite a bit. It's interesting, there's nothing over here and it's still riding the shoulder, keeping us in the construction. Okay, so here's the tough part. There's nothing mapped out here. We've got some massive detour lines. Oh, it did it. This is really tight with the bushes. Oh, nice work, car. Now we're gonna be back onto a regular road. Oh, there you have it. Drove itself perfectly through a construction zone off a main lane.